Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products to make your life easier. Today, we have something truly special for you. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop, the best microfiber spin mop available in the market. Are you tired of the old, traditional mops that leave your floors wet and require endless wringing by hand? Well, say goodbye to those days because the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Let me tell you why this mop is an absolute game changer. First, it's all about hands-free wringing. Thanks to its innovative design, this mop features a built-in wringer. No more messy, soggy hands or back-breaking manual wringing. Just place the mop head in the wringer, step on the foot pedal, and watch it do the work for you. Using the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop is a breeze. The telescopic handle can extend up to 48 inches, so you can comfortably clean without bending over. And, thanks to its 360-degree rotation, this mop can reach and clean deep into corners, under furniture, alongside baseboards, and between tiles. Now, let's talk about that incredible microfiber mop head. It's not just any microfiber. It's O-Cedar's advanced microfiber that uses millions of strands to effectively capture dirt and grime with plain water. That's right, no need for harsh chemicals. It's safe for all hard flooring, including hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. But here's the kicker. One refill equals 3 months of cleaning. Yes, you heard that right. This offer includes one EasyWring refill, and each EasyWring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. Say hello to saving both time and money with longer-lasting mop head replacements. What I love about this mop is its versatility. It's not just for wet mopping. You can use it for dry dusting too. The streak-free microfiber mop easily attracts and locks in dirt, dust, pet hair, grime, and even dried on or sticky messes better than a traditional cotton wet mop. Plus, it removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. No need for harsh chemicals. Don't just take my word for it. This mop has a whopping 4.6-star rating with over 171,000 reviews. Customers love its versatility, ease of use, and the fact that it's perfect for hardwood floors. And here's the cherry on top. When you purchase this amazing O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop, you can get a $15 promotional credit when you spend at least $50 on promotional items. What a deal! So there you have it, folks. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop, the best microfiber spin mop you can find. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional mopping and embrace the future of hands-free, efficient cleaning. Get yours today and enjoy a cleaner, easier, and more convenient way to maintain your floors. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!